Hello children. Now we are going to go on further with our revision. We are revising exercise 18B. Okay. So here the first question. You can see here separate the constants and variables from the following. So we have to separate constants and variables from this. So we will try to find out which are the constants. What is the meaning of constant? Constant means which has a fixed value. Now, so wherever you won't have any literal coefficient like letters like x, a, b, c. Those terms will be called as constant. Okay, so here you see 5. So 5 is a constant. So this is a constant. Okay. Then 2x, because x is there, we cannot fix any value to it. Y is also variable, so we cannot put 7z, that is also variable. Next constant is 0. So this is our constant. Okay. Then next constant 3 by 2x is a variable because of the presence of x. So here 9 is a constant. Okay. And 2 by 3 is also a constant. So I will just mark this also 2 by 3. So 2a is a variable because a is there. So wherever there are any alphabets a, x, y, z, x, a, they are all variables. The others are constant. So that is how we solve this question. So what are the constant that we get? 5, 0, 2 by 3 and one more is there, isn't it? 9. So I missed out 9. I'll just write out. And 9. Okay. And then which are the variables? Variables are 2x, 3 by y, 7z, 3 by 2x and 2a. So these are the variables. Now let us come to the next question. Group the like terms together. So like terms are those terms which have the same literal coefficient, means the letters should be the same. This is see, when you have a term, you have a numeral coefficient. So what is the numeral coefficient here? 2. And what is the algebraic coefficient? That is what is the literal coefficient? That is AB. Okay, so when you have same literal coefficient, we say that they are like terms. So I'll just uh, find out which are the like terms. AB. So see, this is, we can select AB. Now anywhere AB is there, this, see, this is BA, but A into B is same as B into A. Okay, so 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. So same way. So these are like terms. Okay, AB and BA are like terms. But here you can't say because BA square is there. What does square means? Means A is written 2 times. So this is BAA. So that is not like term. Then you have here A square B. What does A square B means? A into B. So this is also not there. Then we have this 25AB. Okay, so this is another like term. So this I highlight. Then 3AB square. So AB square means A into B into B. So this is not like term. This is okay. So these are all the like terms. We can group it together. Now we will find the next set of like terms. Okay. Next set we will take 3xy. So this is another set. Okay. 3xy is same as 9yx. So they are like terms. So we group them together. Anything else? No. So we will find the next set of terms. So I'll take this color. 5ba square. So b is 1 time and a is 2 times. So 5ba square, same way. This is a square b. So I cannot, I can take this. ba square means a is 2 times. Here also a is 2 times and b is 1 time. So I can take this also. 2a square b. Then I have ab square. I can't take this. So this is one group. And the last group, I'll take a green shade. Okay. Yeah. So this is the last group. The AB square. A is 1 time, B is 2 times, and B square. This is also. So these are my groups. Okay. So you can just write the like terms together. Okay. That is how we have to do this. Next, state the number of terms in each expression. So we have to write how many terms are there in each expression. Okay. So first question is xy plus 2x. So this is one term. Okay, I'll just take the, okay. This is one term and this is the other term. So how many terms are there? Two terms. So this is a binomial. Two terms means binomial. You have already studied that. Next question, a divided by b. So when you have divide and multiply sign, you take it as the same term. A divided by b means a by b plus 2y minus 3x. So how many terms are there? Three terms. So this is a, so a divided by b is written as a by b plus 2y minus 3x. So this is a trinomial. Now a into y. So I told you that when multiplication sign is there, that also is taken as one term. A into y means ay. So ay plus 3y plus 2. So how many terms are there? Three terms. Ay, 3y and 2. So this is a trinomial. This one, this is a trinomial. See 1, 2 and 3 terms. So this is a trinomial. Next, 2 into a into y. So this is one term, 2ay. Okay. Then 3a and 2. So how many? Now one more thing is there. This is divided by sign here. So this is actually one term. Whole is one term. 2ay divided by 3a. So I'll show you how to write it. 2ay by 3a and plus 2. So how many terms are there? It might seem that there are many terms, but it is only two terms. So it is a binomial. Understood? So here multiply and divided sign you have to put together and you will take it as one term. Now this is the next question. Write the coefficient of x in the following. So coefficient of x means what is with x. So I'll just remove x from here. So what is left? 2y. So the coefficient of x is 2y. Here I have to remove x. Remove x. So what is left? Minus 3a square y. So that is the coefficient. Coefficient of x. Coefficient means what is with x. So minus 3a square y. Now here also remove the x. So you get 3 by 2y. So what is the coefficient of x? That is 3 by 2y. So very simple. So if it was asked what is the coefficient of y, then you have to remove y and say 2x. Y you remove and you say minus 3a square x. So that is how it is done. Coefficient means whatever they say x, you remove x and see who is with that in the term. Okay. Now write the numeral coefficient. So you know that any algebraic expression, it has a numeral coefficient and a literal coefficient. So here the literal coefficient is x, the letter is x, and the numerical coefficient is minus 2 by 3. This is the numerical coefficient. So you have to take along with the sign, you have to write minus 2 by 3. Here what is the numeral coefficient? 23. Here what is the numerical coefficient or numeral coefficient? 2 by 3. Okay. So that is how it is done. So you have to just take the number, not the letters.